Children, now we will study one of the conventional energy resource. One of the non-conventional energy resource or a renewable energy source, that is the solar energy. You know, sun is the most important and a continuous source of energy. When we studied the different forms of energy, heat energy, light energy, chemical energy we are getting from the sun. Means whatever most of the activities we are performing, therein solar energy is used, and it is a renewable source of energy. We can get the energy continuously again and again. That is an inexhaustible source of energy. Okay, see here in this picture, solar panel is shown. Nowadays you may be finding in many of the buildings such a solar panel where the heat energy obtained from the sun is converted into the electrical energy, and then again we can get the hot water in our home for bathing purpose. Okay, so solar energy obtained from the sun is enormous. It is a plenty, in sufficient quantity. The solar energy is at the root of all energies available on the earth. It is the root, means it is the basic. Whatever the different energies we are getting, that are nothing but they are transformed from the solar energy. Okay, in the transformation of energy also you had studied that solar energy which is obtained is used by the water for heating, which forms the cloud, and after formation of clouds, as it precipitates in the form of energy, as it precipitates in the form of water, that water is stored in the dam, which is producing the electrical energy. Means what is the main root? Basic is the solar energy. Variety of devices are developed now which are working on solar energy. Okay, solar dryer, solar cell, solar heater, solar cooker, these are the various devices. Herein what happens, heat energy obtained from the sun is utilized to cook food, heat water, and to dry grains also. In the solar cell, electrical energy can be obtained from solar energy. Solar electric panels are also there. Okay, solar plants are also there, wherein number of solar panels are fixed to collect the energy. That energy is stored and utilized whenever we need. Otherwise, it remains there stored on a large scale. Okay, so nowadays solar plants are there which stores the energy, and that energy is utilized whenever we are in need. This is about the solar energy. Now next form of energy is a wind energy. You know, such type of wind sheds you must have seen. Windmills, have you seen? When you go somewhere to the Kanyakumari, I had seen while going to the Kanyakumari, or in some of the hill stations when you go, therein if you watch outside, you will find such type of fans at a tall, which are having a tall erect structure. Okay, so what happens, these are nothing but these are said to be the windmill. They are also producing the energy. Electricity is generated by means of these windmills by using the strong wind. When the wind blows, you know that at the hill station or at high altitude, these are like the fans. These blades are like the fan. They rotate with the high speed. As the wind blows, they rotate with the high speed, and thus they produce the energy. And nearby that, they have one plant where the energy obtained from it can be stored. A windmill is also used for drawing the water from a well. Are you clear? This is a new thing you are hearing. Windmill is used for drawing the water from the well. How it can be used, children? Herein, when these windmills, they are rotating, the blades of that windmills, they are rotating fast. As they get the strong winds, what happens? Energy is stored, and that energy, it is utilized in the water pump, and thus it can be obtained. Okay, so in this way we can say that wind energy, solar energy are though they are the non-conventional energy resources, these energy resources are renewable energy resources that can be obtained again and again. So one should use the solar energy, wind energy, because that are the renewable energy resources, that are the inexhaustible energy resources, and another important thing is that they are not causing any pollution. Okay, so we should use that forms of energies.